This is Dominic. Wait, let's tell them what we're doing. So Dominic is going to pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Good job. Go ahead, give it a little bit more of a pour and it'll, there you go. Good job. You're really good at that. No, you're doing great.
Is it too much?
No, it's good.
I want to just pour too fast or split.
Yeah, so you're learning. That's good.
Like all of it?
Yep, pour all of it.
Mom,
Good job. Now, this is a cup of distilled water. So we're going to put, do you want to do it yourself? Pour a cup in there. 1 cup of water.
She's like...
Yep, fill it to that line.
Like right there.
Yep, no, to that line.
Like all of it to 1 cup?
Yep, 1 cup. Good job. Stop. Good job. Okay, now pour it in. I know, we need a funnel, but that's okay. No, this way, buddy. Pour this into there.
More?
Yeah, so that's water now. We're mixing water and peroxide.
All of them in.
Let's hope it fits.
There's like all the...
It'll fit. Good job. Now, that's okay. Now we're going to do 20 drops of, what is that? Lemon. Let me see. Let me see it.
Lemon.
Lemon essential oil.
I want just
So 20 drops.
20?
20.
Okay.
So no, not like this, buddy.
Okay.
Like so
4,
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think that's
I just
way.
want it.
Yep, but you know what? That's the good thing with essential oils is that if you use too much, a little too much, it's okay. So we could add more water to that if we wanted to, but it's good. So now,
Shake.
no, we don't want to shake because whenever we add essential oils to water, we don't want to oxygenate it too much. So we just give it a little toss. So once it's on there good, we just go like this before we spray it, just to mix it. If we shake it, see, oil and water doesn't mix. But if we, we give it a little toss before we spray it, now we've got to test it out. This is supposed to be bleach, like safe bleach.